Good afternoon. Off work early today. The garage is calling. I did an order with Simple Tire and some J-Bugs. Trying them out. So far so good. I ordered 2 wheels. 2 of them showed up. The other ones are not here yet. They said they were in stock, but just working on Veronica here. You can see I got the fan off. This was all wobbly and everything. Dowel pin was in there and all loose. Got this one off. What had happened was whoever worked on it before, the key, let me get you in there, worked its way out. It's not staying in there, so I'm gonna get that all set up. I think I'll just silicone that in there, let it sit for a couple days. I'm gonna get some parts and I'll do some cleaning while I'm back here and go from there. But first, let me get you set up. We'll see what came in the boxes. Let's see what we got. Center cap, so comes with a valve core. It's cool. First new parts for Veronica right there. Let's go pull a wheel off and see if it actually fits. Here a little bit. All right, I got I got new studs. Never had it before. We got all kinds of mismatched lugs and so on and so forth. Let us see. Thought was a 5-inch. I'm obviously misread. It's a 5.5, so be close, that's for dang sure. Well, looks pretty good. Down the way here. Find a quicker thing. Oh, it's inside. Well, I get my stuff for the tire machine. I'll get it mounted up. See what happens there. Right now, they're all put back in the box, and probably thrown up off the floor, so I got to deal with it, and then I'll just clean up stuff for the engine. So right here, I just got it apart, so I might as well Do a little degreasy. I'm just doing soapy water of Chris Fix fame. Literally just Dawn and water. And then I'm doing the same thing to the covers while they're off. Let's go outside. We'll just get a little more on these. We'll come back and do a scrubby, so at least they'll be clean when they go back on. And I'll go get that woodruff key all glued in there so it can dry. Put it all back together on Saturday. Cool. Not bad at all. One little shot of freaking Dawn and water. Got all the grease away. Dawn. And started taking part of the bad paint job off there. It's good enough for now. At least it's not greasy or nothing. I can get her put back together on Saturday, hopefully, and get her running. On without drama. Seems like no drama. Also seems too loose. See if it presses on more like it's supposed to. I got all the mounting holes all retapped clean. I got new bolts to go in. One of them was all jacked up, so I had to make that bigger. It's the only wrench I got right now. It's this big dog here, so old fire sprinkler tools. Yes, this is a 1-inch drive socket. Oh, you just fell. Whoopsie. Probably works better when you tighten that little knob right there. Alright, maybe we'll try that. So if this don't get tight, then we need a shim, right? Oh! Oh yeah, we got it. I can continue going. Go get the right socket for my torque wrench so I can actually torque it on once I get the pulley fan on, and we're in business. Just gotta take another trip to the store. Success. So what I did, the problem I had was the woodruff key was pushing out the back side, and that was not kosher, not letting me tighten the fan up. So I siliconed it a couple days ago. And let that be. So that's maybe let me just keep doing some cranking, and then I'll put the other bit on. Oh crap. That is bottomed out now. That's good. Far you gonna go? Now, put all the other stuff on. Can't just leave that until I'm ready for the fan. Woo. All right. Then this one, it's funny because the book says that you need to pull the engine to do this. And as you can see, me and my big bear paws got it handled just fine. Let me get the other, my new boltuses that I got. You can come talk to me and not be on camera. All right, we're back. Got the new bolts. Decided to change the look up. I got button head Allens. We'll see if that's a good choice or not. Never know until you get her in there. I'm sure these aren't too long because of course you need 22 millimeter, I think it is, the length, and the only thing I could find is 25s, I think it was, 24. Looks good to me. Alright, that's working. I'll turn you back on for something else.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Oh, I forgot to put the fan shroud on before the belt. Because you can't do it. Because you see it's got 2 holes. It's not got 3 holes.
Yeah.
Slot between the holes.
For why?
I can't get this on the belt.
Oh.
Okay, I learned how to do it. Right now I learned.
Remember, back in the 70s, didn't have pieces and parts like we do now.
Yeah, don't do this.
Okay, what?
I learned. Just all these fun pieces, parts. I'm gonna make $1 million figuring out how to do this more better. Updates to a late model squareback. Okay, now I'll go fan shroud, or pulley shroud. Fan shroud's already on, as you can see. Yes. Now I need all my new bolts. And then I can put the belt on it.
What are those new bolts that we bolts that we got? What are those for? You already have those on? No, the other ones.
The other one, no, they're go on the bottom bit. And what was gonna look pretty?
Why is it gonna look pretty?
Because it's all new.
Oh.
I thought about spending the time painting it, but I'll do that after I blow it up.
Why do you say things like that?
Because it's a 50-year-old car.
Yeah, but I don't like the words blowing it up.
Well, that means it's 2074. 2115, whatever the heck the numbers are. 2 liter.
What does that mean?
I don't know what size motor this is yet.
Oh.
When it gets rebuilt, it will be like a 2074 or whatever the size is.
There's a little girl on a motorcycle.
20 something.
Motorcycle bigger than she is. She can actually put her feet on the ground.
Dang, is she old enough to be on a motorcycle?
I don't know.
It's pretty awesome. Seeing more and more girls out there riding, that's cool.
Not in this town.
This town's fine.
Well, I meant Vegas. Good. Wind gust is blowing everything around here.
Oh.
What's that guy? Not a very good camera person.
It's alright. There ain't a whole lot to see. Well, this is where I'm gonna. That's the. Alright, well, I skipped a bunch because I didn't want to film it. Aggravation. Some of the holes I retapped did not work, so eventually during whatever rebuild I will just make them all bigger or buy a new fan shroud depending on budget. Let's fire it up, shall we? that repair was a success. I guess. Take you off. Oh, that's probably gnarly. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you when we do the tires and front end, and then the interior, and then I already said wheels and tires, front suspension. We got to get that going. Hopefully I drive her pretty soon. All right, once again, thanks for watching.